So, good afternoon to one and all. We'll start the last unit of BEE subject, that is called Introduction to Digital Electronics. We are going to discuss here now. So the digital electronics, it has four parts totally. So the first part of that one we are going to study, that is number system. Actually, first and second, these two are the number system, and this third and fourth part is the logic gates. Related to the logic gates only we are going to discuss here now. In the number system, all of you very well you know about that one. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. How many numbers these are? 10 numbers. So that is the decimal numbers we are going to call that one. If 0 and 1 we are going to consider, that is binary number, we are going to call that one. The first 8 number 0 to 7, that is called octal number. 0 to 9, that is decimal numbers. 10 numbers we are going to call. Bi is nothing but 2. 2 means 0 to 1. Octal is nothing but 8 numbers, 0 to 7. Hexadecimal is nothing but 0 to 15. That is, we are not going to call as 15, but in the form of F we are going to call. After 9, it will start A, B, C, D, E, F like that. And their interconversion. So binary to decimal, decimal to binary, binary to octal, hexadecimal, how we can convert that one, and binary coded decimal codes we are going to call that one here now. And once the binary conversion, if you study it, this is very important. So listen carefully. Binary arithmetic we are going to call. Binary numbers, addition, subtraction we have to do. After that one, one's complement will come, two's complement. This process we are going to study here now. And the last we are going to study AND gate, OR gate, NOT gate, truth table, what is the signal, how joining of this one to another, and we are going to symbol, output equation, truth table, realization of basic gates, using universal gates also we are going to study here now. And the last Boolean algebra, the laws, Boolean laws and its rules, De Morgan's theorem, we are going to study here now. Okay, these are the points. It will comes under the 8th unit. Actually there is, this unit is very interesting unit, very interesting. We are going to call here now. We'll start the number system, that is decimal number, binary number, octal number, and hexadecimal number. I will show one table here now. Is it visible? The table is visible?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yes, sir. So the decimal number is nothing but, we can call that one here 0 to 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. These all are the decimal numbers. Yes? Yes or no? So 0 to 9, 9 say 1, 2, 3, 4, up to 9 it will comes here now. Up to 19 it will come. Next to 2, 0, 2, 1, 2, 2, up to 2, 9, like that. Decimal number. Actually decimal means 10 numbers only we have to consider here. So that is 0 to 9 here now. 0 to 9 decimal numbers here. But for the 0, binary numbers are also there. We have to convert all these numbers into binary actually. The decimal numbers we are converting into binary here now. Listen.
Binary.
0, actually if we are writing for 0 0 only, we can consider for the octal numbers we are considering, we can consider only up to the 7 we can consider here now. After the 7 we can consider here now. So for the 0 we can write 0 0 0 here now. Can write 0 0 0 1. This all 3 0, here 1 we have to write down. Binary means what are the terms will come? Only 0 and 1 will come. 0 and 1 will come. So 0 0 0 0, here 1. Next what, this 1 is over. Next here this term we have to make 1 and this is 0. 0 0 1 0. Next both you term make as 1 here now. 1 1 हो गए. ये 1 1 होने के बाद next 0 को 1 करना है. This 1 double 0.
Yes,
1 0 1. Next this 1 you keep as it is here now, and this 0 you keep as it is here. 0 is there. Next it will make 1. After that one, this one 1 0. Next 1 1, and already this one is there here now. So 0 1 1 1. Next you make this one as 0 here. Suppose For the 7 numbers, octal number is there here now. These are the binary numbers we are writing here, up to the 15 or out up to the, for the hexadecimal numbers we have considered here now. These are the binary numbers here now. So octal number means binary, decimal number means 0 to 9 it will comes. Yes, 0 to 9 decimal number is there. After 9 it will start from 1 0 and all the things, that is decimal number only. But octal means 0 to 7 only. First 8 numbers only we have to consider only. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 numbers. These all are 8 numbers. That is called octal numbers. We are going to call that one here. So after 7, next what we have to consider, 1 1 1 1 1 0 1 2 3 7 like this. इसमें 18 19 20 नहीं आएगा, क्यों? तो it is a octal number. Yes or no? Next is इसको 17 के बाद directly 20 21 22 23 24 25 26 27. After that directly 30 we have to use that one. Like that we have to use all these numbers here now. Suppose I will tell you people, this octal number है, इसको binary में लिख सकते क्या? Can I write the binary numbers here now? Then only we'll understand. So I will write this one as 3 numbers. I will take down here now. So 0 0 0. First 0 को 0 0 0 लिखता हूँ, ठीक है? For the 1, I can write this one as first 0 0 and this one 1 I will write down.
1.
Next what will happen? 0 1
1 0.
Next 0, this 0 you keep as it is. Here 1 is there, 1, and this 0 you make that 1 here. 0 1 1. Both are 1 1 is over now. So next we have to make this one as 1
Yes.
0
0.
0.
1.
Next 1 0 1. Next 1 1 0. And last 1 1 1 here. So octal numbers, it will comes only 3 binary digits, it will comes over here. 3 digits we have to consider. For the hexadecimal, 4 digits we have to consider here now. For the binary, decimal also you have to consider 4 digits. So this is 7 numbers we are going to consider, that is called octal numbers here now. Suppose for the hexadecimal is nothing but 16 numbers we are going to call that one. These are the 1 to 15. These are the 16 numbers are there. 0 to 15 is nothing but 16 numbers are there. So 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Up to 9 it is same only, like a decimal number only. Okay, but we cannot call this one in the hexadecimal. We cannot call 10 numbers as a 10. It will become A here now. So after 9 we have to use A, B, C, D, E, F here now. Like this we have to call that one here. Like this we have to call. Is it clear? Is it clear or not? Understanding? So these
Yes,
are the
sir.
numbers: decimal numbers, binary numbers, octal numbers, and hexadecimal numbers here. These are the numbers we are going to discuss here now. So the binary decimal numbers we have to convert into binary, and binary to octal, octal to hexadecimal, hexadecimal to next decimal here now, and next decimal to octal like this, and octal to hexadecimal. So all the terms we have to calculate, we have to do the conversion here now. So simple method I will tell you people here now. Simple one formula is there. For that formula, I will write down here 8421 we are going to call that one. Actually, binary को लिखने के time from binary to hexadecimal or hexadecimal to binary, whatever we can call that one. That is 8421 formula we have to use. That is, so here 8421 is there. Which number we are writing? 10 we are writing. This is a decimal number. Yes. 10 is a decimal number.
Yes.
Okay. 10 means how much
Yes, sir.
here? 8421. This formula we have to use here now. This formula we have to use here now. By doing any addition of this one, which values we have to make as 1? If which one you are going to consider, that one we have to write 1. Which you are not considering, that one we have to consider as 0 here now. 8 4 2 1 is there. 10 के लिए 8 plus 2 लिख सकते हैं हमने. 8 plus 2 is equal to 10.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
तो 8 को 1 करो, 2 को 1 करो, 0 0 here now. 1 0 1 0. It is a binary number here now. It is a binary number here now. If you can check this one, cross verify also. Previously you have already checked this one. 10 numbers को इधर चेक करो टेबल पर कौन सा है बोल के. देखो इधर 10 को क्या है, 1 0 1 0 है ना?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So 10 को, suppose 12 I want here now. 8 plus 4 12 है ना? So this one, with the बाकी terms you make this one as 0 here now. You can write that one. Suppose you want 15 number. You want 15 चाहिए तुमको अभी. 15 के लिए क्या करना है? 8 plus 4 how much it is?
8 plus
1
4
1
plus 1.
8 plus 4 12.
12.
12 plus 2 14. 14 plus 1
14.
that is called
15.
15 here now. Suppose
1 1 1.
I want 9 here now. Only 9 number I want here now. What you have to do?
8 plus 1.
8 plus 1 here now. 8 बीच का दोनों 0 करो,
1
इसको 1
0
करो. This is the
1.
shortcut formula we are using. For the shortcut you can understand that one here now. Is it clear? Is it clear?
Yes.
So I will write one term here now. This one. Can you tell me the what is the in the decimal number? Can you tell me?
Thirteen.
30.
8 plus 4 12 plus 1 is nothing but
12 plus 1.
13 here now.
13.
I will write here now 1 0 1 0 0 1 here now. Can you tell me?
9.
9.
8 plus 1 9. I will tell 0 1 0
9.
1.
5.
5.
That is called 5. Very good. So is it easy, na? Like this, we have to do the conversion and we have to identify that one here. Now, this is the formula we are going to use here now. Is it clear? So can
Yes.
we start the conversion? Shall we start the conversion? First one, decimal number
Yes,
to
sir.
binary will start the conversion here now. So the decimal number is nothing but 155 I have written here now. 155, the base 10. 10 is nothing but it indicates that it is a decimal number here now. It indicates that it is a decimal number here now. So binary we have to convert here now. Decimal to binary conversion karna hai. Binary means in the form answer should be in the form of 0 1 0 1 only. Yes, in the form of 0 and 1 only. The answer should be
1.
in the form of 0 and 1 only. So what we have to do? 155 is the decimal number. Binary is the 2. Required is binary here now. So 155 we write here now. Okay. So which one is the nearer value? Multiplication of 2 here now. 77 we have considered. 77 into 2, how much it is?
154.
154. So 155 minus 154 कितना हो गया?
1.
1.
What is the left term is 1 here now. I have written here 1 here. 1 लिखा है इधर. Yes. So next 77 को 2 से multiplication करने के बाद which is the nearer value?
76.
76. That is nothing but 76 divided by 2 is nothing but 77 divided by 2 is nothing but 38.5 we will get. Yes. So 0.5 we
Yes.
cannot use. 38 we will use. 2 into 38 is nothing but 76. So here 77 term is there. You are doing 76 here now. Only one left again. That one we are writing here. Remainder 1 we are writing here now. Next, 19 2s are equal to
38.
38. So 38 minus 38 is 0. So the remainder is 0. 19 divided by 2 is nothing but 9.5. 9.5 is nothing
Nine.
but we can use
9.5.
9. 9 into 2
9.
is nothing but 18. 19 minus 18 is nothing but 1. So that one we can write 1 here now, the remainder. Yes. So 9 value 2 into 4, it is nothing but 8. 9 minus 8, it is nothing but 1. Again 1 we have written here now. 2 into 2 is nothing but 4. Yes. 4 minus 4, 0. Next, 2 into 1 is nothing but how much? 2 only. 2 minus 2 is 0 here now. So from this one, I will write as 0 here now, and this one I will consider here now. Actually, from here to here, we have to write complete like this here now. Here 1 is there. Yes. This one we have written here now. 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1 here now. Yes, this is converted into binary. Decimal is converted into binary here now. समझ में आया क्या? समझ में आया क्या? See, we have to
Yes,
divide
sir.
Yes, sir.
whatever the nearer value is there, just the dividing system is there here now. Divide system use कर रहे हैं, but हमने इधर 145 बाद डायरेक्ट डिवाइड कैसे कर सकते हैं? 155 डिवाइड बाय 2 किया तो डायरेक्ट हमने क्या लिख सकते हैं? इधर 277 पॉइंट समथिंग लिखते हैं ना, 77.5 ऐसा लिख देते, इसको 155 कैंसिल होते, बट ऐसा नहीं करने का, बाद में ये 75 को फिर 2 से करने का, उसका वैल्यू वट एवर इट विल लेफ्ट, दैट वन अगेन वी हैव टू डू बाय डिवाइड बाय 2 लाइक दैट हियर नाउ. Is it clear? See, one more method also there. That one also we can tell that one here. Directly we can write also here now. So 155 is there. From this one also is it possible to find the answer? ऐसा कैलकुलेशन करने के लिए होते क्या इधर से बाइनरी कोडेड? Highly impossible that one. For the decimal number, it is not possible. For the octal number and all the things, you can write down this one, this method. Because you consider first 4 digits here now. 8 plus 2 plus 1, what is the digit? It will indicate 11 here now. Yes. इधर 11 दिख रहे हैं और इधर 8 plus 1 9 दिख रहे हैं. 11 plus 9 कितना हो गया? 20 हो गए ना. ऐसा कर सकते क्या? नहीं कर सकते.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Only for the decimal number you can't do. For others, I will tell you later here now. Is it clear? Like this, you can
Yes, sir.
convert this one. Decimal number, we can convert into binary, means simply we have to use the divide system here now. Divide rule we have to add here now. 155 divided by 2 here now. So 277 2 ja, it is nothing but 154. The remainder 1 we are writing here now. So that's 77, sorry, 38 into 2 ja, it is nothing but 76. That is one remainder we are writing here now. 19 into 2 is nothing but 38. 38 minus 38, 0. That one we have written here now. So 9 into 2, it is nothing but 18. 19 minus 1, here we have written here now. 4 into 2, 8. 9 minus 8 is 1. We have written here now. 2 into 2, it is nothing but 4. 0 remainder. 2 into 1, it is nothing but 0. So 2 into 2, 2. 2 minus 2 is 0. Remainder, that is called 1 we have written here now. So from this 1 to we have to start here now. This one, ये 1 लिखने के लिए क्या किए? इधर 0 लिख के ये 1, this same one we have copied here now. ये ऐसे भी लिख सकते हैं, नहीं है तो इधर से ही चालू करने के. Wherever 1 or 0 we got here now, from that equation to the starting we have to all remainder, that will give the decimal answers here now, binary answers here now. Can anyone try the solve the answer? Can you tell me? I will write. Can any one of you find the answer for the convert that one 49 convert into binary number? 49 conversion करो binary number को. And tell the answer. what I am telling, 49 you convert into binary numbers. (49) डेसिमल नंबर है, इसको बाइनरी को कन्वर्शन करके आंसर बोल दो मेरे को. डू इट फास्ट.
वन जीरो जीरो वन
1001. Wrong.
ट्रिपल जीरो
1
1 triple
वन वन ट्रिपल जीरो वन.
very good.
Yes,
1100001 is the correct answer here now.
One.
See, I will write here 49. I will write. See here, I will write 2 here now. 2. 224 J. How much it is? Nothing but 224 J. 48. So the remainder I can write 1 here.
Yes.
49 minus 48.
Yes, sir.
Okay. 2 12 J. 24.
24.
So 2 12 J.
Zero.
24. 0 हो गए. Yes. Next 2
Yes.
6 J.
Yes, sir.
12.
12
So 12 0 हो गए इधर.
zero
Next 2 3 J.
6.
6 0 हो गए इधर.
0.
Next 2 1 J.
2
2 1 J. 2 2 3 minus 2 is nothing but 1.
1.
1
So this one remainder 1 we have to write here now. So this is 2 1 J 2, it is nothing but here now. So this one plus 1 1 000 1 is the correct answer. इधर से चालू कर देंगे. Yes. 000 1 we have to call that one. Just a minute. बोलिए सर. Is it clear now? So 49 1 1 0 0 0 1 is the binary. 49 is converted into decimal, is converted into binary. Can anyone other solve this one? 51 convert into binary. Is it audible?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
Okay, convert 51 into binary now. Any one of you convert it. 51, this term you convert into binary now.
one one double zero one one.
11 00 11. Correct? Eh?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
110011.
Okay, wait. 11 00 11. Very good. So is it clear? Decimal to binary. Any doubts?
No, sir.
No doubts. Shall I proceed for the next topic?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Suppose if it is in the point में है, सोचो अभी हमने क्या किए? Almost we have considered 155 49 and all the things we have considered. Yes, इधर तक consider किए. इसका आगे 0 point sorry 155.3578 है, सोचो 3578 है. इसको कैसे कन्वर्शन करते हैं? ये पॉइंट को हमने डिवाइड सिस्टम नहीं करने का. दिस टर्म इज dividing system we are doing here now. But if it is in the point, then converting that system should be 0.357810 binary to the decimal to the binary. We have to convert that one here. So we have to do multiplication here now. We have to do multiplication here now. How to do the multiplication? Starting 3578 into 2 is nothing but 0.7156 we are going to call. See here, what is the multiplication of this one?
Press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update from AIB.
Who is that? I'll mute all. Okay, and one more thing, we are coming downside. We have to come here now. Should not go for upper side. We have to come downside here now. Actually, just a minute, I will tell you. See, we are starting from 0 point. It should be there from the 0 point. Yes. So this one we have to convert here now. Listen carefully. We have to convert 0.35. You just put 0.3578 into 2 in your calculators. Calculator में दबाओ. What is the answer? 0.7156 आ गए. Multiplication of 2, this one.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay. So here
Yes,
the term is 0 point. Here भी 0 point है. इधर भी 0 point है. 0 आया इधर. This term.
Yes, sir.
So that 0 I will write here now. I will write here now. Next, this 0.7156 into 2 करो उसको. Next into 2 करो. How much you got? 1.4312.
1, 2.
1.
Yes, sir.
1.4312 आया. That 1 you write in the remainder here now. 1 है ना? 1 point. That you write in the remainder. You write only 0.4312 here. Understanding?
Yes, sir.
1 point is there. That 1 we have to write in the remainder, and 0.4312 you have to write here now. You have to write here now. So next what you have to do? 0.4312 into 2 करो. कितना है? 0.8624 आ गए. This
Yes, sir.
0.4312 into 2, it is nothing but 0.8624. So here 0 point है, 0 लिख दो इधर as it is. Next is 0.8624 into 2, it is nothing but 1.7248.
Yes, sir.
So that one we have to write here now. If the answer is 1.2 point ऐसा है ना इधर रिमाइंडर में लिख देने का ही. So binary है ना, this is 1 point आया ना, रिमाइंडर में लिखो. 0 आए तो रिमाइंडर में लिखने का. ऐसा long term you have to do the calculation. This will because 4 digits को 16 digits आ जाते हैं ऐसा. 0.01011110 like that, it will comes in the binary digit now. Understanding?
Yes, sir.
Before, suppose 155.3578 है तो सोचो अभी 3578 ऐसा है तो 155 को डिवाइडिंग सिस्टम अप्लाई करने का और ये पॉइंट को मल्टीप्लिकेशन अप्लाई करने का. This one you have to write separately. After that you have to join together here now. Understanding? Understanding or not? 0 point something if you want to convert into binary means you have to follow this part. If it is pure binary decimal number is there, then you have to convert direct standard method you have to apply by a dividing system over there. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next we will go for the next one, decimal to octal number. Decimal to binary हो गया अभी. पहले डेसिमल
Yes.
टू बाइनरी किया था.
Yes.
बाइनरी को क्या किया था? 2 से डिवाइडिंग सिस्टम किया था हमने. यस 2
Yes.
से डिवाइडिंग सिस्टम किया था. अभी ऑक्टल मींस कितना है? कितने नंबर्स रहते हैं ऑक्टल में?
8.
8 नंबर्स रहते हैं. सो अभी 8 से डिवाइड करने का अभी 345 we have to convert into the octal number here now. The octal number we have to convert here now. Decimal to octal here now. So 345 we keep here now. 8 into how much it will give the nearer value to the 345. 8 into 43 is nothing but 344 we are going to get. Yes,
Yes, sir.
8 into 43, it will get 344 is the
344.
answer here now. So remainder left here now, 345 minus 344,
1.
1 here
One.
now. We have kept here now. Next, here 43 is there. 43, which one? 8 multiplication, how much you will get the nearer value? 8 5 is nothing but 40.
40.
8
40.
6 ja 48. So it is not applicable. 8 5 is nothing but 40. 43 minus 40 is nothing but
3.
3.
3 we will get here now. Next here 5 is left term. 8 5 minus 8 we cannot write here now. So 5 3 1 we can write down in the octal number.
Yes, sir.
5 3 1 is the octal number here now. It is converted. Is it clear? किसी को डाउट
Yes,
है
sir.
तो पूछो, बट ब्लाइंडली मत बैठो. So that 5 3 1 is the octal number. Octal number means 0 to 7 कौन सा भी नंबर आ सकते. बाइनरी मीन्स 0 and 1, एक दो ही नंबर रहने का, इधर 0 and 1 में रहने का बाइनरी में. Octal means 0 to 7, any number we can get over that here. Is it clear? Can you convert 91 into octal? Can you convert 91 decimal number? You convert into octal numbers. Over
3 3.
Hmm?
3 3.
3 3. How it will become 3 3? Only 3 3.
Three zero, sir.
Hmm?
Two three, sir.
How much?
03.
Only 0 3.
3 0, sir.
Okay, we'll
3 0.
calculate here now. Here 91 is there. Yes, 91.
Yes,
8 into I think 11 we can use.
yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes,
8
sir.
into 11.
8 into 11, how much it is?
88.
88.
88 we can use here now. 8 into 12 how much? 96 होते क्या? ठीक है. No
Yes,
problem.
sir. 90.
So
Yes.
88. Sorry, 8 into 11 you have to use na.
Yes, sir.
8 into 11 is nothing but 88. 91 minus 88 is nothing but
3.
3.
3 is the remainder left here now. Yes, 3 is the remainder.
Yes.
So 8 into 1 we can write.
Yes, sir.
8 into 1 is
One.
nothing but 8. 11 minus 8 is nothing but how much?
3.
3 here now. So what is the answer here now? This one also you have to consider.
3 3 1.
How you are
3
telling?
3.
1 से नीचे से ऊपर जाने का कभी भी. You have to
One,
go
one,
like
3
this.
3.
1 3 3.
1 3 3. Nobody is telling that 1 3 3 कोई नहीं बोला है अभी. 3 3 ही सोच रहे. This 1 it will add. We have to consider this one here 0 consider करके ये 1 इधर रिमाइंडर बोल के कंसिडर करने का. 1 3 3 डाउन साइड से अपर साइड जाने का कभी भी. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Similarly, for the point system, we have to multiply here now. अभी जैसा अभी बाइनरी को अभी मल्टीप्लिकेशन किया फाइंड को, अभी like that we have to multiply here now the remainder term. The for the point wise upper side से आना है, upper से नीचे आना है. याद रखो ये पॉइंट्स. रिमाइंडर को अपर से नीचे आना है पॉइंट को. If it is original value, standard value, decimal value, नीचे से अपर जाना है. इधर देखो पीछे कैसे था. इधर डाउन साइड से अपर गए 531
Yes,
converted
sir.
value, so down to upper side. But for the if the value we have converted in the point into point, that one down upper to downside we have to convert here. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
नेक्स्ट वन डेसिमल टू ऑक्टल हो गए अभी. नेक्स्ट कौन सा है? डेसिमल टू बाइनरी है, ऑक्टल हो गया. और कौन सा बचा है अभी?
Hexadecimal.
Hexadecimal is the answer left here now. So decimal to hexadecimal conversion we have to do here now. Simple thing. अभी बाइनरी को 2 से डिवाइड किया है, ऑक्टल को 8 से डिवाइड किया है, अभी हेक्साडेसिमल को
16.
16.
16 numbers are there in the hexadecimal. So divide by